episode of Devs and Cars. What are we doing today?
We are going to Hacktoberfest.
You mean we're going to do dev stuff?
We're going to do dev stuff. It's an event that DigitalOcean does.
You think they got free socks? Sammy the Shark socks?
I hope they have some Sammy the Shark. I kind of missed that mascot. So we're heading...
Swag.
And some swag. So we're heading out today to Hacktoberfest. That should be fun. We're also celebrating the fact that we signed up for being registered partners of DigitalOcean.
That's right.
And I guess this should be a blast. They just had an event in London. And you know, we're always rooting for DigitalOcean.
I know. And then I was hoping we could bring media to their create a vertical for them. And then come to find out, studios don't pay.
Exactly.
So then, what are we all doing here?
What are we gonna do? Yeah, movie studios really don't really follow up with payments. I mean, we have been doing this for.
Well, it's not just them; it's sports, musicians,
broadcast. Yeah, it always seems like you have to chase the invoices, but they want more. Right.
New features.
They want new features. Modify your product.
More margaritas.
More margaritas. Ooh. However, we are using this opportunity to demo
Empanamedia.
Empanamedia. So,
To cut the.
Empanamedia is our digital asset management system.
That's right.
But with a Puerto Rican flavor.
It's tasty.
It's tasty.
Get it?
So for those that don't know, or those that are not gonna bother to listen to Bad Bunny or watch him on the Super Bowl, if you guys know what an empanada is or don't, is pretty much food.
Best tasting hot pocket you ever put in your mouth.
Pretty much, exactly. So we decided to call our product, instead of empanada or empanadilla, Empanamedia. And we did a couple of things with it. Like, number one is lightweight. It's cloud native. And it's able to sort images and videos, and you can label them, set up an approval status.
And you added your AI features, so it's got smart search.
It got smart search. So yeah, we use DigitalOcean's gradient AI for that. I know, we went fancy. And not only that, we deploy it natively on DigitalOcean using their app platform deployment.
That one was pretty cool. Just pop your repo in and magic happens.
Exactly, and that is the way to deploy it. Like no infrastructure.
I just have to add a Docker file and then I'm off.
That's it. Actually, we made this one in 2 flavors, because this one, it actually picks up the Node runtime and React, and it builds it for you.
Oh, wow.
So very, very impressed with that. And we're doing the Hacktoberfest here in Denver, Colorado. So we're going to go to Hipster Central Rhino. Right, Aaron?
That's in Rhino.
Yeah, we're not wearing our trucker hats today. We're not wearing our tech t-shirts or microbrewery t-shirts.
Oh, man.
But I know, right? Great divide, I believe.
Oh, that was the Yeti.
Yeah, I believe, right? That's a sticker? I think so.
I drink beer.
You don't drink beer?
I guess we've been in Colorado. We should have acquired a taste for it, right?
No, the only thing that we have really done is wine talk. So that's kind of like the only thing. We really didn't get into the microbrewery or the other scene. What's the whiskey scene? Stranahan's.
Yeah, I got some good whiskey here. Oh, Tin Cup was good.
Tin Cup? Is that still around?
I don't drink whiskey anymore.
You don't drink whiskey. You don't drink beer. Do we belong in Colorado or do we belong in Puerto Rico at this time?
With the rum.
With the rum and empanadilla.
Oof.
That's what we should do. We should do an event to launch Empanamedia in Puerto Rico and have it at the Isla Verde restaurant.
Oh, Morena.
Morena. and they can serve empanadillas with lobster.
Oh,
that
and the octopus one too.
And the octopus one, and then we can use Empanamedia to load the photos and the assets.
So good.
So Morena can actually manage their assets for their posts and everything like that using Empanamedia. We also did another thing that might as well plug it in since we're shameless bloggers today. We also made Panastream. Panastream. Oh, again,
for your Pana fans.
For my Pana fans is gonna be a great idea.
Pana fans on Panastream.
Pana fans on Panastream.
Private streaming brought to you by
Panastream. And don't forget about OnlyNans.
Oh.
Something we found out the other day, OnlyNans.
Anna sleeps hot.
So Panastream is something that Aaron and I have developed as part of our whole Pizza Clara line, where it's essentially your private streaming links. We also name it after a Puerto Rican term, which is pana, which is friends. So it's Panastream because we made it for our friends, our filmmaker friends. So instead of them getting their rights diluted on Tubi, Netflix, and getting 13 cents a play,
it's their content, their story, their stream.
Exactly. And you own your stream, you own your content, you show it whatever you want, and you collect for the showing. And no one takes your rights.
And it doesn't downgrade the quality.
Nope. We handle our own transcodes. Panastream handles your own transcodes, whether it's 4K, 8K, 1080p, and you can just keep it there, and whenever you're ready to run something or do a showing like your private cinema, fire up the stream and then it goes away. I'm telling you, Panastream, Empanamedia, Boricua flavored products.
Boricua flavored tech.
Like Boritech.
Cookie soft.
Brocky Soft. Brought to you by Aaron and I as part of M Squared Technology Creative. Sponsored by Fabricated Crime. And we also want to give a shout out as we head to this Hacktoberfest to our friend Luis at Innato. He's having a fantastic idea for Puerto Rico.
I think so. Driving around, offering experiences for tourists and providing curated content for them to go home with.
Yeah, I think that is a great idea. We're gonna put the link for his YouTube and his new business on this episode. InnatoTV. And again, since we're all about bringing people together, it is about bringing everybody together in Puerto Rico. Businesses, friends, interesting people, which, by the way, everybody's interesting and they bring their own flavor. And we might be involved in that in the future. So maybe we'll do a Programadores en Carros, or Next Devs in Cars. Maybe we'll do it from Puerto Rico. I think so. And also another thing I need to follow up today is why is Bad Bunny playing on Super Bowl and not Corey Feldman?
Oh gosh.
I mean, I know you were...
No, he got kicked off Dancing with the Stars.
He got kicked off of Dancing with the
He's
Stars.
gotta focus on the music and take care of that scoliosis.
Well, yeah, it looks like Michael Jackson.
I just want to know how your girlfriend's doing.
Zoe. So for those, refer to a previous episode when we talk about Cradle of Filth. So, Danny! My girlfriend, Zoe Federoff,
is that Schmurder?
Schmurda. So, my girlfriend, Zoe Federoff, we had discussed the last time how she posted
the
contract.
And now she's gone further off the rails.
Yeah, so
Is she unhinged? Is that what they call it?
I don't know. She really should just handle keywords at this point. But my concern with Zoe is that Zoe now sued Cradle of Filth in Arizona, and she posted the lawsuit.
Oh dear.
And what that tells me is like, come on, girl, who's gonna want to hire you? Because then let's say you're in our house band, Natalie Wood's swim team, and
I'm not hiring her.
You're not hiring her.
She's gonna sue me.
Exactly.
If I call her fat or something, she's gonna sue me.
Exactly.
Or
So
I'm body shaming.
yeah, you're body shaming, and then you're gonna be plastered all over the internet. She's gonna put the contract. She's gonna sue you and post a lawsuit. And I just don't understand. Handle it privately. So I'm gonna follow up with her. I think I need to re-engage with her.
Did she give you a badge or something?
Actually, somehow I got a badge on Facebook for
Oh, I
contributor.
think you can put that you're in a relationship with someone. So you should just go ahead and do that, and then
Yeah.
she gets a pop-up to approve or not.
Oh, that's gonna be awesome. That is gonna be awesome.
You should do that.
Don't post the lawsuit.
Well, especially if it's active.
Well, and she says that.
What is that going to do for your discovery?
Well, that's the thing. You leave it up to discovery, right? And she says that every lawsuit in the United States is public. That doesn't mean you have to publish it. The courthouse has put it public. It's up to you to pay the fee, log in, and look at the lawsuit.
Yeah, you just saved everyone their $25.
Exactly. There's a paywall, right? You can do that to anybody, but you don't have to publish it. But the funny thing about it was that I decided to go back and review the prior posts, and she claimed that she didn't sign the contract and the agreement original. So I'm thinking, like, so why are you suing now?
What is your basis?
What's the basis of it if you never signed something in the first place?
It's like, you sign a contract when you work for someone, so if you didn't sign it, then...
So Danny doesn't owe you anything. Because if you are claiming that you're losing money because of royalties, but you didn't sign the royalties agreement, then Danny doesn't owe you anything.
No, you basically just played for free.
Exactly. You played for free.
That's your own fault, girl.
Exactly. So I don't know. We gotta follow up. But anyways, we're gonna be heading to Hacktoberfest. DigitalOcean for life. So expect some posts and some demos and things like that from that in the next episodes. All right, bye everyone.